Now you will be taken to Experience page, where it asks you, do you have experience? If you have an experience, click on yes, or if you don't have, then click no. In my case, I have 1 year experience, that's the reason I am opting yes. So, total years of experience is 1 year. Current job role is pediatrician. My pediatrician listed skills are like as I already gave in the education page just before. My set of skills are pediatric emergency, pediatric interventions, and pediatrics health issues. These are all a few of the key skills I have. Then, my current company or hospital is 21st Century Hospitals Private Limited. Did you observe this currently work box here? Yes, I currently work here. Then, are you currently serving notice period? Yes, and my notice period is 15 days. Industry. I work in a hospital, that's why I am selecting hospital as my industry here. Otherwise, if you work in a college institution or pharmaceutical company or clinical research, select any of the options. Then, my joining month and year is this. And my department is pediatric. Select these fields properly. Here you have to select your relevant department like doctor or nursing, etc. Then it is asking about my salary per month. My salary is 2 lakhs rupees per month. This is monthly, not per annum. Now, click on Continue. You will be redirected to Preferences page. Decide industry again. I want to work in the hospital. Suppose if you wish to work in some college or institution as a lecturer, as a professor, or some pharmaceutical company or clinical research or biotechnology somewhere other than hospital, you can select any option that matches. Then select your desired job type. I go with permanent one. Here you have to decide on job you want is a permanent or contractual one. Then, decide employment type. I want to work for full-time. You can select as part-time, or if you want to work as a locum doctor you can select locum as well. Asking me what is my preferred full-time work location? I want to work in Bangalore. So selected Bangalore. Then, select different communication preferences. I want to get the communication through mail as well, through WhatsApp, communication through SMS as well. You can select all of the different options, or you can select any of these. It's up to you. Then it's asking for your available time for taking phone calls from recruiters. In my case, I am available for taking phone calls on only Sundays. Select your day the same way. And timings are from 10 a.m. and then 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. in the evening. Since doctors, or be it any healthcare professional, they would be very much busy and they get less time to spend with the family. We know this and we are very much concerned about their available times. That's the reason we have even mentioned these tabs in our job application fields. Now, your profile updation is almost done and you can see jobs. Before that, look here. Actively searching for job. Suppose if you are not actively searching for any job, you can uncheck this. Then comes, subscribe to MedLink newsletter. It's better that you select this option so that you get all the latest updates from MedLink Jobs. And finally, click See Jobs.